In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome not opening. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. It can be very annoying if Google Chrome isn't opening for you, especially if it's the main browser you use. So what you want to do is go over to the search bar, type in Task Manager firstly, and basically, Chrome often fails to launch if a previous version didn't close properly and the system thinks it's already running. So what you want to do is once you open up Task Manager, go over to Details, then scroll down. And if you see any Chrome, instances running or anything like that, just right click and then you're going to see End Process Tree. Then go ahead and press that. And then all of these different ones are then going to be removed. And then you're going to be able to just open Chrome again properly. Now, what you could also try and do is disable hardware acceleration via the shortcut. So all you got to do is go ahead and find your Chrome, shortcut. Mine is right here. So we'll just put it right here. All I want to do is go ahead and right click on it. And then I'm going to go ahead to properties. So if I can't see it, mine's right here, but you can go to show more options and press it there as well. So I'm going to go to properties right now. And then once you're in it, in the target field, what you want to do, add a space at the very end. So we're just going to go right to the end and we're going to add a space. And then what you want to do is type in this. It's going to be dash disable dash GPU. Once you go ahead and do that, press apply on the bottom, then press OK, and then your Google Chrome should be opening just fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.